Good morning, my friends. Today we are going to learn about my face. Yes, so I want all of you to do this activity with me. Let's start it. Now, what you can see on the screen, it's a picture. Yes, and there is a boy. Let's repeat the parts of a face: forehead, hair, eyebrows, ear, mouth, chin, cheeks, nose, eyes. Yes, they all are the part of our face. There is one more activity for you now. Listen and repeat. Eyes. I want all of you to repeat. Eyes. Now put the finger on the eyes. Good job, class. Now, I want all of you to show me your ears. Where are the ears? Yes. Let's put your finger on your nose and show me the nose. Good. And where is the mouth? Yes, there is the mouth. Now, we have one other puzzle. You are going to tell me where are the eyes. Yes, there is the eye. One eye and the second eye. Two eyes. Good job, class. Now you are going to tell me where is the nose. Here it is. Let's paste it. Yes. Good job. One nose. Now you are going to tell me where are the ears. Yes. One ear and the second ear. Here you go. Good job, class. And where are the eyebrows? Here they are. One eyebrow. And this is the second eyebrow. Great job, class. And now you are going to tell me where is the mouth. Here it is. Mouth. So our puzzle activity is done. I know my face. Good job, class. This is one more activity that you can do at your home. All you need is one paper plate and one paint, any color you can take of your own choice. We need some pom-poms and some threads and maybe a white paper to make eyes, nose, hair and mouth. I hope you're going to enjoy this activity. Do it with your parents. Have fun, class. Bye-bye.